news which is coming in from Maharashtra at a time when some of the districts, like 18 districts, have seen very high isolation, high positivity rates. Now a decision has been taken on the COVID care units. What we do know is that the Health Minister of Maharashtra has come up with a new rule saying that in 18 districts where the positivity rate is very high, they are ending home isolation. People with less symptoms or asymptomatic will have to stay in COVID care centers. So let me go across to Arunil. He's joining us from Mumbai with all the details. Arunil, can you tell us how the government is going to go about ensuring that everyone who's positive is in a COVID care center, and which are these 18 districts?
Well, this is a significant decision taken by the Maharashtra government in the meeting today that was chaired by Health Minister Rajesh Tope and Deputy CM Ajit Pawar. Now we understand that 18 districts wherein the positivity rate is high, in all those 18 districts, basically home isolation has been ended for COVID patients. People with less COVID symptoms or those who are asymptomatic as well, they will have to stay in COVID centers compulsorily. The decision has been taken because the health minister confirmed it, saying that many people who are under home isolation, they are not staying at home and they are stepping out, thus increasing the risk of infection. That is why this decision has been taken. And the 18 districts are basically semi-urban areas and rural areas. Some, if we can name them, are Ratnagiri, Sindhudurg, Kolhapur, Sangli, Satara, Osmanabad. However, important to note that Mumbai and Pune are not part of these 18 districts. So yes, a crucial decision taken by the Maharashtra government, wherein home isolation in those districts wherein the positivity rates are high, home isolation has been ended. People will compulsory will have to stay in COVID care centers. This is because the government felt that the people who are given home isolation, they were not staying at home, they were stepping out, thus increasing the risk of infection.
Well, keep tracking the developments on that front. Thank you so much for joining us with all those details, Arunil. But